Hi everyone, this is Kasha. I'm feeling artsy and today we're gonna draw this ghost emoji. Halloween's coming real soon, it's just next week and I thought it'd be a fun thing to do. To do this, you're gonna need a piece of paper, a pencil, and also some markers or crayons to color it later. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the top of his head and it's like a half circle. So pick a point and do your best at drawing a half circle. Circles are hard a little bit, but that's why we use pencils. We can go over several times, correct ourselves, and then erase the lines we no longer need. Once you have your half circle, the top of his head, we're going to go down and draw his body. So from each side, you're going to go down and then make it a little wider than his head. So make it wider and wider as you go down, and then do the same thing on the other side. And try to match both sides, but they don't have to be identical. Okay. Once you have the sides, we're going to draw the bottom of his dress, whatever that is, sheet or dress. So you'll curve this corner, and then you'll go up and down and up again and down, and then you'll meet this and you'll curve the corner. So here you go, his body is done. We're going to add his arms next. So somewhere on the side of his head, pick a spot and then go up, curve. His fist is almost like a circle shape, so do that. Okay, and then come back down and meet this body again. Mine came a little fat, so I'm gonna fix it a little bit here. Okay. Once you have one arm, you're gonna go from here and find the spot, the matching spot on the other side, and from the top again to the side. And these spots will help you make your arms even. So do it again. Go from the side of his head and curve up, and then do this circle type like fist and curve down and meet your spot. And once again, mine came out a little fat, so I'm gonna come in some here. Okay, I think that's good. Okay. To do his face, is really easy. He's got two circle eyes. The right one's a lot bigger than the left one. So we're going to do that first. So you do a big circle on the right side of his face for his right eye. Okay. Then you're going to do a lot smaller circle on the left side of his head for his left eye. Alright, and once you have the eyes, we're going to draw a straight line under the eyes for his mouth and draw a little, almost like a smile. Okay, now out of his mouth he's got a tongue coming out, so from the top of his mouth here you're going to draw a U for his tongue. Okay. And in the middle of his tongue, you're going to draw a straight line down. And then go ahead and erase these little lines here you no longer need. Okay, so the sketch drawing part is done. We're going to color it next. I'm going to use a Sharpie for all the black parts and outlines. I'm going to use a light gray for these little shadings. And I'm going to use two colors of pink for his tongue. So the inside is the lighter pink, and then I have a little outlines with the darker pink. You go ahead and color yours. Use markers like me, use crayons or colored pencils, or you can even go ahead and use paint. Okay, there you have it. My ghost emoji is done. I hope you liked my video. If so, please make sure give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like to draw next. I hope to see you soon.